Let's talk about why branding is your secret weapon. Sure, some brands luck out without solid branding. But let's get real. In today's cutthroat landscape, sustaining growth without a killer brand strategy? Well, good luck with that. Here are 3 truth bombs as to why branding is your secret weapon. First, initial success. You might go viral or trend all the way to the top, but keeping that momentum, well, that's where branding comes in. True story. I worked with a nutritional startup. They were killing it. 130,000 customers, 2 million bottles sold. Sounds great, right? Then boom, stagnation. I dove deep, competitive insights, market trends, consumer behavior, the works. They disrupted the market, they dominated the category, but guess what? Competition swooped in and copied their every move. Why? No differentiation, unclear value proposition, mixed messaging. The result? A confused customer and plummeting sales. So yeah, initial success happens, but without a rock-solid brand strategy and clear differentiation, you're toast. Let's build that brand strategy because luck, it isn't enough. I'm Lisa Perry, a Global Brand Marketing Executive, and I'm here to help. Want a step-by-step guide on how to develop a killer brand strategy? Check out my link in my bio. It's your roadmap for success.